Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about best herbs, natural pills for diabetes that lower blood sugar fast. Diabetes is not a disease, if you control your blood sugar level. You can achieve this naturally by doing physical exercises, brisk walking, and by consuming the natural pills for diabetes. This is because, the allopathic drugs just try to improve the function of the liver, and those drugs have severe side effects. The best herbs that lower blood sugar fast are in Ayurveda. You can buy the herbal supplements for type 2 diabetes that are popular as Diabec capsules. How to maintain healthy blood sugar level is to check them monthly. How to maintain healthy blood sugar level. You can consume the natural pills for diabetes before food. You must consume diabetic-friendly food only. The best herbs that lower blood sugar fast must intake with plain water only. You must consume them at least for 3 to 4 months to get the best results. A monthly blood sugar test will ensure your blood sugar level is coming to normal level. Diabec capsules thrice a day before meals will bring down your blood sugar level between 90 mdgl to 130 mdgl. A physical exercise for 30 minutes will do for men and women to control blood sugar level. A brisk walking for at least an hour time will help you to control your blood sugar level along with the natural pills for diabetes. The best herbs that lower blood sugar fast will work out with diabetic-friendly yoga too. When to stop the herbal supplements for diabetes. You can consume the herbal supplements for type 2 diabetes for a longer period. You can stop them when your blood sugar level is 90 to 130 mdgl. Once again, you can continue the Diabec capsules when your blood sugar level go beyond 140 mdgl. The natural pills for diabetes will not work with alcohol. You must not consume fast food when you consume the best herbs that lower blood sugar fast. You must stop consuming fatty food and carbonated beverages. Instead, you can consume protein-rich food along with the herbal supplements for type 2 diabetes. The Ayurveda has the secrets of how to maintain healthy blood sugar level. The Diabec capsules are manufactured with the ancient secret herbs, which are found only in the Indian subcontinent. It is not advisable to consume allopathic medicines, as there are no proven results with synthetic drugs for diabetic. The natural remedy works well with the people having high blood sugar level. A renowned Ayurvedic research company in India manufactures this herbal pill. It is available in online channels as prescription-free herbal remedies. There is not particular food regime while consuming this pill. It is advisable to consume leafy green and pulses for better results. The natural pills for diabetes are free from side effects. The best herbs that lower blood sugar fast are the Diabec capsules. It is an Ayurvedic product from India. It is available as non-prescription remedies. You can find more details about Diabec capsules at naturagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.